Hey you guys, Never Dull Nick here. This is the first video I've ever made. I just kind of wanted to show off my collection a little bit. I've watched lots and lots of knife videos on YouTube and got a new phone. The camera on it is pretty nice, so I figured why not. So, I recently just got this Strider SMF, and it's kind of my baby right now. It's got aluminum handles, well, aluminum handle scale on one side, of course flamed titanium on the other. I bought a titanium the over travel lock there. Bought it from Gray Precision, and it's pretty cool. I like it on there. I also made a lanyard for it, just a Cobra knot, and got a little Spartan bead here. It was actually all polished, and I acid etched it for a little while, and it made it look pretty cool. I think it goes with the knife a little better now. And I kind of figured out well, just from watching other YouTube videos, I got some ideas on how to smoothen this knife up a little bit, and it is smooth, so smooth. Really cool. I love to carry this knife. I bought it used, and it's got a little bit of wear. I probably won't be able, oh, maybe you can see a little bit there. They must have sharpened it with an Edge Pro or something. You can see the marks from a clamp. But I resharpened it up a little bit because it had some chips in it, and the tip was kind of blunted a little bit. I straightened that out, and it is razor sharp. I think they said it was S35 VN steel. That's what I believe it is. I don't think it says anywhere there. But yeah, just a great knife. I apologize if my camera gets kind of wobbly. So from my last knife that I bought to probably my first real decent folding knife I ever had, it's a Kershaw, oh, I can't even remember what it's called. See, I think it says this one was made in the USA. I think it says January of 2007 there. So yeah, it's 7, getting on to 8 years old now. So 8 years ago, well, 7 years ago I would have been 15. So I got it somewhere around there. And it is a pretty nice knife. I've carried it quite a bit. Kind of learned to sharpen with it, and the blade's got a bunch of scrapes and scratches on it from doing that. It's actually in my work EDC carry rotation right now. So the pocket clip on it is kind of rattles a little bit, but other than that, I don't mind it. It's kind of loose, but it's never fallen out of my pocket, so I enjoy it. It's a really slim knife, and it's on nylon or Teflon washers. It's got a little bit of a flipper, but you can't really flip it off just that. Almost can, but maybe if you get it just right. But yeah, thumb studs are really nice too, ramped, jimping on them. Anyways, so I also recently bought a hinderer, and this is, I always thought they were really cool, and I wanted to get the the zero tolerance, the 0560. I never did, and then I finally just decided why not try out an actual XM18. So it's a pretty dang cool blade. I like it. I got extra handle scale for a different color, and it's got the blue standoffs in it now. Sorry, the lighting's not the best here, definitely, but and also the blue screws. Pretty cool. I might end up selling it, but I also smoothed it up a little bit, and it actually flips pretty dang easily. You can actually adjust this pivot a little bit with your thumb even, and then it just gets like super smooth. Pretty easy. The centering, I think, does move a little bit if you do loosen that pivot up a hair, but thumb studs work really nice as well. Yeah, that's a pretty cool knife. I've enjoyed it. Not sure if I'll keep it though. And I also got this little Strider SMG that I also did the smoothness mod, I guess you could say, to it. Man, this pivot was so stinking tight. I marred that screw up pretty good trying to get that broken loose. My gosh, it was a bugger. But yeah, I really enjoy this knife too. I have this little lanyard on it because I work in the oil field, and I'm kind of nervous to carry this in my pocket out there. I don't want to drop it and lose it. So I put this lanyard on it, and I actually hook it on some more paracord and wear it around my neck, just because I enjoy the Strider so much. I like to have it on me. It's pretty cool. It's the Coyote Brown G10. It's really smooth. Kind of cool. I figured out how to open it